Morning Dabaw, Mindanao, North, South, East, and West. This is Gilbert Lopez Marticat. So welcome sa Pinoy YouTube channel. Good morning Davao segment. Today we are in Malagos Garden, for the Philippine, the home of the Philippine Eagle. And here's the guardhouse. It's a big place, guys. And it's been 20 to 25 years that I've been here. Wow, that's long. Because if my son, the eldest son is 20, yeah, it's almost 25 years. Wow. And now I am revisiting the place, and of course I also reminiscing my experience for that. I think it's a big different now. So see, that's the entrance there, and we're gonna be look for new things. We want to taste the choco, the kukwa, the first, the high quality kukwa, the chocolate. We have it here. It is certified. That's the best kukwa. So we will be visiting the place, and of course wala pa rin pagbabago sa entrance, meron pa rin, parang ganun pa rin. But of course maraming I'm pretty sure na maraming pumupunta dito because it's still vacation. Yung ibang schools nagre-resume na, but the others are not yet. So expect things, guys, na magiging exciting this morning. And as we look surround us, a lot of people there. Dito rin may ano rin dito may water aquifer din dito so this is really a good place, guys, for the Philippine Eagle. Right, so see you next. Yeah po, sige po, enjoy lang. Alright, guys, here we are now inside of the 1 hectare facility, or 1 hectare sanctuary of the Philippine Eagle. And we have, of course, a tour guide. Then I feel I'm lost my job. I'm losing my job because we have no a tour guide. All right, look at these big trees right there. It's a huge one. Napakalaki po.
That's actually the oldest tree here in the facility, sir. It's 100 years or more.
Wow, that's 100 years old. When I take a picture of this 100-year-old tree. Wow.
Hi.
Yeah.
Right there pa, Redwood of California. Ay, yan pala.
Yeah.
This is ang kalsan nga ginakuan.
Oh, yeah. We call it in Bisaya bagon, but I don't know what is bagon in English.
Anong pangalan niyang kahon?
Aratan.
Ma'am?
Mau gani?
Unknown na po siya, ma'am, due to
sa napakatanda.
old, ma'am.
At saka hindi mo naman din pwedeng pakialaman kasi
Yes po. We
endemic
have
na.
the vines po supporting the tree.
Yes,
It's a
wow.
dead tree actually po, but we have the vines po.
Oh, patay na siya.
Yes po, sir.
Oh, wow. Thank you for that information. Oh, we have this what we call this, ang tawag dyan? Yung mga maliliit pa.
Sadling, sir?
Seedlings.
Yes, sir.
It's lawaan.
Use po siya for tree planting, sir. One of
Yeah.
the projects of the Philippine Eagle Foundation is to produce 3 million trees for tree planting.
And then you're gonna buy that and plant it wherever we want, or?
Ano, sir? Just for adoption, sir. You're gonna name
Yeah.
You're gonna adopt it for 400 pesos, sir.
Woo.
Then the foundation will decide where they will put the tree.
Yeah, that's nice. And the mosquito now start to go to Jollibee or the fast food. It's lechon. Lechon, imported lechon. Wow. We can hear the birds singing. Wow. Guys, ito yung buhay ng guys. Dito sa Malagos Garden. Okay. Ano meron dyan?
Crocodile, sir.
Oh, they also have crocodile here. Let's see how big. And it is sanitized. Oh, these are the bats information.
Golden crown bat.
Yeah, but of course,
Flying fox.
no shouting, so that the croc will not be disturbed. Gold dipper, It's really there?
Yes, sir. Right here.
Oh, wow. Now, gotcha. Gotcha, baby. Gotcha, baby. You know,
Here, ma'am and sir, we will see a saltwater crocodile. So even though they're saltwater, they can still survive in freshwater. And inside, ma'am and sir, that's Gold Deeper, one of the first residents here in the Philippine Eagle Foundation.
wow.
But he's blind because people throw rocks and poke him with sticks and cataract.
See?
He's old.
70 years, sir.
How old is
Yes,
he now?
70 years
40
old.
years old, sir. Around 40 years.
So he's like me and him. Almost.
Wow.
Now, they're nocturnal common, sir. So, mostly of them are only active.
Yeah.
That's
Ito po
why
ay nocturnal,
people
mga
throw
kaibigan.
rocks at him or poke
Gabi lang
him
po
with
siya kumikilos.
sticks.
O gabi lang po siya kumakain.
Does he have
Nocturnal.
a friend?
No, sir. But we have another crocodile in another enclosure later on. We'll see.
Okay.
So,
Matagal din tayo hindi nagkita, friend.
Ngayon, itinanover niya dito kasi hindi
oh,
nila
it's you.
masyado maalagaan.
I use eucalyptus at home because there's so many mosquitoes. But not spray, it's oil.
If you need to spray, I guess.
No, it's not eucalyptus, it's citrulina.
I think 3 meters or something 4 meters.
Good.
So, dito po tayo.
So, we will be here.
yes, ma'am.
So, dito po tayo sa ating raptors garden. Dito po tayo.
There it is.
A
Oh,
mirror fresh.
big one. Oh my God. I figured.
Wala na dito sa ano no.
Wala doon. Wala doon.
Anak ko dako.
Pero ano?
Dili siya bin ano ka dako.
It's rabbit?
Yes, sir. The food here, sir, are rabbit.
What we call that?
Mating, sir?
No. One woman.
Oh, monogamous?
Monogamous?
Yes po. No, sir. But our Philippine eagles are monogamous, so they take one partner for our life.
Yeah.
One of the
Wow.
reasons also why they're critically endangered.
Wow.
Sana all. So when the
Oh, I have a
Kasi
butterfly.
hindi siya nag-aasawa ng marami kasi.
yes, ma'am.
Oh,
They
it's
just live their life.
wow. This is bayawak in Tagalog. Bayawak.
Hello in Bisaya.
Hello in Bisaya.
Hello, and
Oh, this is what we eat.
Yeah.
yes, ma'am.
This is for
Yeah. Yeah. It is endemic.
Yes. There's so many of this in the province.
yes po.
Yeah, and it tastes like perfect with chicken.
Wow.
But will not eat you guys, of course. Oh.
Wow.
Eagle for incubation. And the incubation period is 56 to 58 days. Almost 2 months.
How many do you have currently?
Right now, sir, they will not say to the tour guide if they have incubating eggs inside, but they will announce it if eggs will hatch. That's the time that they will announce. But
Oh.
right now, they
For-
will not give information.
Yeah.
So that way, if it doesn't go, then they.
Yes, sir.
Not bad news.
It won't cause any commotion or anything to them.
Yeah. Have them have the privacy. Respect their
You
privacy.
can see, ma'am and sir, we have names, their pathways. So this is what we call the wild tail. So these are the people who donated here in the Philippine Foundation. They donated 1,000 pesos and a maximum of 25 characters only. And it's because the Philippine Eagle Foundation is NGO or non-government organization. So they are not provided or supported by the government. Yes.
Yeah.
But right now, ma'am and sir, they won't accept any donations because they're changing its design.
Are they gonna cross over that?
Yes, sir.
And-
We'll just continue
No,
the
no. Are they
trail,
gonna?
sir.
Are they gonna like start all over? Like put in new?
Actually, sir, we have 3 designs already. We have the first one was the rectangle one,
Uh-huh.
and the second one was the leaf. We will see it later on. And this is their recently, their recent design. But right now they're changing its design.
But how long will we stay? Forever
So
or?
supposedly, sir, it only stays for 1 year, but they won't get the whole facility with the new design. So
Yeah.
Oh.
we'll just see the old one.
The Fraternal Order of Eagle, the organization, the Fraternal Order of Eagle, we have this MOA in the Philippine Eagle Foundation. We give 100,000 a year to feed the eagle.
Oh.
Yeah. I don't know. It's still going now, but as far as I know, we have this 100,000 a year to feed the eagle, a pledge from the Philippine, the Fraternal Order of Eagle. Wow!
So here, Mom and Sir, we will see a Philippine eagle already right here at the left corner. You can move forward here, sir.
Wow!
Right there at the left corner, sir.
Oh, there he is.
Yes.
I see him.
Oh yeah, there she is.
Ano yun?
So,
I thought it's
so that's Vigo. Mom and Sir Vigo is a male Philippine eagle, 14 years old, and he's adopted by Eagle Cement Corporation. And we will see Vigo in the new 1,000 peso bill here in the Philippines, the polymer money. He's the
yes.
exact model. He is? Yes, po.
Yeah.
He's the exact. Right there, we have a 1,000 pesos right there at the placard. He's the exact model, the Philippine model.
Oh, it's amazing.
So Vigo, yes. So Vigo is an active semen donor for artificial
Para makaproduce sila.
Yes, po. And when he was 8 months old, they released Vigo in the wild, but Vigo is a mal-imprinted bird. He got used to humans. He got habituated into humans and goes to villages, communities,
Oh,
and
that's
eat
why.
livestock.
That's the problem.
And there's a high possibility that people might hunt
Hunt him.
So they brought back Vigo here in the facility and continue donating semen.
Oh, look at how big he is.
How old?
Oh, how?
14, ma'am. 14 years
That's huge. If his wings will spread, how many meters?
That's 2 meters, sir, 7 feet, 1 meter in each one.
Wow!
We will see a closer Philippine eagle later in an enclosure, much closer one.
Wow! That's interesting.
So do you want to have a group picture here? I can take your picture.
You want? Because but Bigo is very
We'll
very.
wait for the bigger one.
Oh, we are going to the bigger one. Yeah, go the closer one. We're just.
And as you can see, ma'am and sir, all of them are in one cage. Unlike Vigo and Marikid, they're separated. It's because the Philippine eagles are highly territorial. So if they don't know the eagle or the
They will
animal
fight.
inside their territory, they will attack.
And one thing more, Bagani is a warrior name. Oh, it's a warrior.
Bagani.
Bagani.
Bagani means warrior.
Wow. Is a lord.
So si Vigo at saka si Marikit hindi sila magjowa?
Hindi po.
Oy, hindi natin po alam.
No,
Kasi magkatabi lang po sila.
Monogamos di ba ang ano? So
No,
kung
ma'am.
sila ang dating
eagles are 8 time the lifespan is 30 to 45 years po. But
Oh,
here in the foundation it's longer. They take 40 to 50 years. Because their foods are provided, they have their checkups, medical.
Wow, ang galing, no?
po.
So meron talagang healthcare.
Yes po, sir.
From the PhilHealth.
The PhilHealth,
Oh no,
no,
please don't.
the PhilHealth right now has zero budget.
Zero money in the
Yeah.
Zero money. No, they have the money that they're just hoarding it.
Yeah.
They're just hoarding the money.
They're using
We
it.
also have 2 durian trees right here, sir. Have you seen
see.
durian trees, sir?
Oh wow.
Is there any fruit of it?
No,
because
it's off season.
Durian trees are seasonal. So
This is off season, so we can't.
What is it? What are these berries here on this?
Berries, the berries.
oh, that's anahaw, sir.
Anahaw.
National leaf of the Philippines.
National leaf of the Philippines.
But
They make
there's berries.
their berries.
Yes, sir, but
Makaon siya.
Can you eat them?
I searched it. It said that it's edible, but I'm not gonna say that you're gonna take.
The leaves of this rock, Rob.
0.5 lang ang memory
Is this also an eagle? Yes.
Yes,
Serpent.
sir, this is a Philippine serpent eagle po. We have a pair inside. We have talabawe and mugate.
Mm.
The other one po is right there at the back eating. So same as the Philippine eagles po. So who is the one that are bigger inside po? That's
The girl.
Female or
Yeah.
the girl.
Davao Doctors College ang
Yes,
adapt.
so sila na yung magka-partner na.
Yes, ma'am. Power Corporation. And if you remembered po the picture of Vigo in the new 1,000 peso bill, all of its hair were standing up. So that's what we call cresting. So they do that when they're angry, curious, ready to attack or alert.
Okay. So they feel that something is,
They are not
you know.
thirsty. He is not. Change.
It's a big one.
How old?
24, ma'am.
He's old now.
Yes, mag-ano lang ako sa regulation. Oo. rescued from the wild and arrived here in 1993. So she's been here in the facility for 31 years already. So the partner of LDI already died, so she doesn't have any partner and she doesn't breed anymore. So LDI means Lakwe Drug and Corporation, so that's her adopters.
So how old is LDI?
31 years na po here in the foundation, but she's a rescued eagle, so she still have these years living in the wild. Inside mom and sir, we have their biggest male. So if one of them escapes, they can't go back because they're considered as an outcast or not belong in their group.
They're the ones who are going to outcast.
That's actually, if one of them escapes there, that's actually a rare case because they can't jump from what erupted here. They can't climb the wall because it's slippery. And if they climb the tree and jump off, it's way too far. They will get injured. So this is actually architectural of, they built this with the base on the mountain. When the animal keepers feed them, sir, they use the
Sagit na siya.
as bait to get the land. And when they
Oh!
get they will get its bone.
May maliliit. May anak dyan, oh. Maliliit, oh.
May mga anak sila.
Wala, may nag-aasawa.
Oh, di ba? They are breeding. They are also breeding.
Careful and
Ling! Pasin, Sofil.
yes, sir.
Oh, there's the mother carrying the baby. Rob, the mother carrying the baby. There. At the tummy.
Maybe they are husband and wife.
Yeah.
Cute.
If you find this segment informative, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to stay updated with our latest news and share this broadcast to your friends and family. Your support helps us keep you informed. Help us get our first 10,000 subscribers. Your engagement matters. Liking, sharing, and subscribing to our content not only helps more people discover the important stories we bring you, but also supports our team's hard work. It boosts our visibility in the algorithm, making it easier for others to find ways to stay informed. Thank you for being part of our community.